Good morning, everybody. So, this is a podcast for the second set of assignments for this week, and you're going to be asked to find the equation of a line that passes through these 2 points. So, just like before, the first thing you have to do is find the slope. And remember that slope is your y values being subtracted over your x values. So, filling this in, I'm just going to put one over the other, as always, just to line up the y's. 2, 6, and 1, 1 goes on the bottom. So the top is -4 and the bottom is 0. So remember, that tells you the slope is undefined. And if the slope is undefined, that means it's a vertical line. Okay? If it's a vertical line, y-axis, x-axis, if it's vertical, that means it's only touching the x-axis. So the equation looks like x equals some number. What's the x value? 1. So x is equal to 1 is your answer. Okay? This one, first thing you need to do is find the slope. So I'm drawing this fraction bar with the subtraction signs in it. I'm going to write one above the other. The y's go on top. X's go on bottom. So I have -1 over 3, or -1/3. That's your slope. So this is your m. I like these better. They're smaller than those and no negatives. It's just partial. It's not going to make a difference which one you pick. So I'm going to use this pattern to find the equation. So I'm going to fill in what I know. There's an x. There's a y. So I have 0 is equal to, the slope is -1/3 times the x value, which is 3. I'll put it over 1 to help line things up. The 3's cancel out. So I have 0 is equal to -1 plus b. Heck of a b. So then I'm going to add the 1 to both sides. And I got 1 is equal to b. Yeah. Sure fun. So 1 is equal to b. So your final answer, y is equal to -1/3 x, and the y-intercept is 1. That's the answer to your equation. Okay? So the thing to remember on these, when you have a horizontal or vertical line, remember what their equations look like. So for horizontal lines, the slope is 0, and the equation looks like y is equal to some number. And for vertical lines, the slope is undefined, and the equation looks like x equals some number. And then when they're just oblique lines, lines that just run at an angle, any direction other than vertical and horizontal. You first find the slope, so that's the first thing you do. You find m. Second thing you do is you find your y-intercept b, and then write the equation below. Okay? I think that's the last screenshot for this. Let's take a peek. Oh, one more. This must be we already had a vertical example, didn't we? We already had a vertical one. Yeah, we already had a vertical. Okay? So this is just going to be another vertical, so no reason to go through that. These are the 2 assignments. Whoops, you only really need to see one of them right now. Oh, yeah, no, I'm confused. Sorry. They're 2 assignments, basically the same thing. So you don't need a second video for it. That's what it was. Okay, sorry for my own confusion. Have yourself a great rest of your day.